we will discuss about chemical bonding part 2. Okay, so first of all, subscribe my channel Learning with me to get notifications and like the channel. Okay, chemical bonding part 2, that is coordinate bonding. Coordinate bonding. Coordinate this type of bond is formed when between two atoms formed between two atoms by sharing of electrons. Sharing of electrons. One atom have at least one sort of one lone pair of electrons. Number 4, other atom of one excess lone pair of electrons. One have at least one sort of one lone pair of electron, and other atom have one excess lone pair of electrons. Okay, so we'll take some examples to clarify this coordinate bonding. Okay. Example is ammonium ion. Ammonium ion. How this ion is formed? When ammonia is added with some HCl, acid, it gives NH4 plus Cl minus. But how this NH4 ion is formed? We know nitrogen has how many electrons? Nitrogen has electronic configuration 2, 5, so it has 5 electrons in its outermost shell. 5 electrons in its outermost shell. Okay, nitrogen has 5 electrons in its outermost shell. Nitrogen shares 1 electron to 3 hydrogen atoms, forming 3 covalent bond, and it has one. Again, it has one lone pair of electrons. So when it added to H plus ion, H plus proton, H plus has no electron. This electron pair, hydrogen has one excess lone pair shared to hydrogen. The entire lone pair is shifted towards, shared towards hydrogen, forming nitrogen-hydrogen. Nitrogen-hydrogen coordinate bond, that is H, N, H, H, and this one is the coordinate bond is formed. And this is plus ion. How it is formed? Nitrogen entirely shares the lone pair of electron towards the hydrogen atom, so that the complete sharing of electron lone pair by nitrogen atom. So nitrogen is the donor here and hydrogen here acceptor. The entire lone pair is shared by nitrogen atom towards hydrogen atom, so the coordinate bond is formed here. It is one such example of coordinate bond. Another example is hydronium ion. Hydronium ion. S3O plus. Oxygen has 6 electron in its outermost shell. Oxygen 6 electron in its outermost shell, and first it combines with hydrogen forming water molecule. Oxygen total has 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 60 electrons are represented by dot, and hydrogen electrons are represented by cross. So hydrogen and oxygen, each hydrogen and oxygen shares one electron, is forming water molecule, that is HO single bond H, but it contains again 2 lone pair of electrons. And this water molecule HOH, when again water is added to it, H plus ion, this lone pair of hydrogen air is shared entirely to hydrogen atom H plus ion, forming H single bond O single bond H single bond H. This bond is the coordinate bond. Why it is called as coordinate bond? Because oxygen atom shares entirely the lone pair of electrons to hydrogen, so that this type of bond is the coordinate bond, and this can be written as H single bond O single bond H, arrow mark indicating this is the coordinate bond. Okay, this is the example of coordinate bonds.